Okay, so this is part 2 of trying to start this V12. This is 97 S600 bypassing DAS system. And what we have here, the baseline, the computer that actually starts and runs 6 cylinders is there, right? So I'm just gonna leave it as is. The secondary module is here, so actually it started working, but it's still locked out. I found a couple of broken lines, but what have you, that doesn't matter. So I made it to work, so hopefully it will still work. The idea here is that the unit should energize fuel pump and throttle body. So if that's energized, then we can move on. So I'm going to also leave the camera here because it's going to be easier for me, I guess, to record video, and if anything, I'll just cut and paste certain different segments. So now we obviously have to go to ME1 because we have to personalize the control module, and also I do have my my initial numbers from the good module. So here, where are those? Let's see, yeah, I got them right here. So I got them on my cell phone, so I'm going to enter all these numbers into the computer to personalize it, and the win number at the end. So ignition on first. So what do we hear? We have the throttle body is on, fuel pump came on. So now I'm gonna, well, I don't know, well, this is kind of a weird video, but anyway. So let's go and try to personalize. Now we go to actual values and drive authorization. Yes, yes. Car lock with DAS no. Start enable. Number of interlocks 0. Now we're actually going to try to start this engine on 6 cylinders again. Let's see what we get. Okay, we had the start. Very good. Next thing, I'm gonna swap these modules because they're like in the way of each other. Okay, so now it's going to be the moment of truth. I placed these modules whenever way I could because it's getting late. I just want to see if all of this is gonna work out. So we have one module that just been programmed, and the other one was already starting. So let's just start this car up. We still have only 6 cylinders though. Let's see what diagnostic says. Drive authorization, yes, yes. No, it's not locked. Everything seems to be operational. 4 starts. It doesn't lock with GAS. Not in the locked. Okay, so now we have throttles work. Okay, that's good. Computers are in. Fuses okay. Except for this one. This one looks to be. No, it's okay. Alright, so then I'm gonna see fault codes. Let's just clear them. Fault and can to left. Okay. Stop light switch. Whatever. Let's just try to clear these two. See what we get. I mean, still only 6. I still have only 6 cylinders. I only have 6 cylinders to run. Hold on communication. I'll swap the modules around.